Hi, I'm Kevin Press with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The SRT racing seats are wrapped in black Laguna leather with white cross stitching and suede inserts. That's going to allow the bolsters as well as that suede to help keep the driver and any of their occupants firmly planted in that seat as they go around turns and accelerate with the amount of G's that this vehicle can pull. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the Widebody kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. People ask me, why do they call it the Black Ghost? Well, back in the early 70s, the muscle car racing era was at its peak, and there was nowhere it was more at its peak at than in Detroit. Godfrey Qualls had a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 426 Hemi engine. It was painted black, the engine was black, this car would show up, he would dominate the street racing scene, then he would speed off into the night, disappear for months at a time. In 1975, the car disappeared, never to be seen again. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.